Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin inside WhatsApp. Open the app and tap the three-dot menu at top right so you can access settings immediately. Once done, choose Account then Privacy and look for Fingerprint Lock near the bottom of that list. Make sure your phone already has a registered fingerprint in system settings. This prevents confusion when toggling the option. If the fingerprint lock entry lacks controls, exit and check your device biometrics first. Then return here to continue removing the lock. Now tap Fingerprint Lock and toggle off Use Fingerprint so WhatsApp stops requiring biometric access. You'll be asked to authenticate with the fingerprint currently enrolled on the device. Press firmly and hold until confirmation appears. After it accepts, WhatsApp will immediately stop using fingerprint verification. Make sure to review message preview and auto-lock timing settings while you're here, because those can affect privacy after removing biometrics. If you use a screen lock app, finish by closing and reopening WhatsApp to confirm the fingerprint prompt is gone. Open a chat and observe whether it asks for biometric unlocking. If it still asks, reboot your phone and repeat the toggle off process to clear temporary glitches. Make sure the device's biometric settings aren't interfering. Sometimes deleting and re-adding fingerprints helps. Also verify WhatsApp is up to date. If a bug persists, update the app or reinstall after backing up messages to avoid losing data. That resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.